first of all, I'd love to be in Copenhagen, right? Great to be here in September particularly. Globally, we're all being disrupted, we're all facing similar challenges, and it's not a zero-sum game. There's opportunity to actually collaborate and work together to figure out how to kind of win in this space. So everybody's looking for new revenue streams, new sources of growth, particularly profitable growth. And so I think that's one of the biggest things we're seeing is like, how can you leverage connectivity, be it wireline or wireless, to really drive adjacent revenue streams that are profitable and actually provide value to consumers, not just as incremental revenue streams, but ideally providing benefits back to the connectivity services.
The whole future is around cloud, marketplaces, and the ability to create real solutions with long-term partners to really move away from selling products to creating solutions and doing that incrementally and really wowing the customers and solving their problems with real solutions.
The principle of DTW, it's about working together, and all the ecosystem is here. Working together to achieve better results for both B2B and B2C customers. A few years ago, we were talking about telco moving to telco, etc. And I think now it's real. We are deploying the Salesforce solution on our Hyperforce technical layer in many AWS regions. We have an interesting demo on AWS booth together with Salesforce, which is focused on helping customer agents with insight and intelligence to basically improve the way they manage revenue assurance, giving them more autonomy to decide.
It's energizing to meet friends, to meet colleagues, to meet partners. There is a notion of simplification, standardization, and scale, which is so important for our industry. We had a great session, I think, with the colleague from AWS, Ishwar. We were reflecting the transformation journey of Tele over the past 3 years, where obviously the analytics and the analytics foundation is one of the key pillars and the key cornerstones in our transformation to enable a truly digital telco. We also looked the last 12 months into what is the potential of generative AI, and I shared a few use cases that we already implemented to get the value from the next generation of AI.